Ever wondered about the secret to lush, healthy soil? Could it be organic fertilizers? These natural powerhouses not only provide essential nutrients, but also dramatically improve soil structure, paving the way for flourishing growth. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 7 organic fertilizers that can transform your soil. First on our list is compost, a gardener's best friend. This organic miracle worker enhances soil structure, making it more hospitable for plant roots. It's also packed with a diverse array of nutrients essential for plant growth. Compost is easy to make at home, making it a sustainable choice for gardeners. Next up is manure, a time-tested fertilizer. Bursting with nutrients, manure is a powerhouse for improving soil fertility. It's essential for a thriving garden, but caution is key. Opt for well-rotted manure to prevent burning your precious plants. Moving on, let's look at a few more organic fertilizers that can do wonders for your soil. First up is bone meal. This slow-release fertilizer is a fantastic source of phosphorus, which helps plants to develop robust root systems. Next, we have blood meal. Packed with nitrogen, it's perfect for leafy plants and helps to stimulate rapid growth. Then there's fish emulsion, a balanced fertilizer that's rich in major nutrients. It's especially beneficial for vegetable gardens and potted plants. Fourth on our list is alfalfa meal. This legume-based fertilizer not only provides essential nutrients but also improves soil structure and water retention. Finally, we have seaweed. Whether fresh or dried, seaweed is a powerhouse of nutrients, trace elements, and hormones that stimulate plant growth. These organic fertilizers, while diverse, share a common goal: to nourish and enrich your soil. So, there you have it, the top 7 organic fertilizers for a healthy soil. Remember, these natural nourishments are key to maintaining robust soil health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.